Hey friends, remember those three I shot recently? The first one pumped over 4% and second one just hit 1% profit. Now the big question is what's up the next setup and how we can catch it before everyone else misses out. Alright, let's dive in to understand why this really matter and how to catch any ones if you missed the last setups. We need to zoom out first and check higher structures to reveal the main trends. On the daily time frame, as you can see, we are currently in an extremely bullish cycle, high highs, high lows, strong volume on rallies, and lighter volume during pullbacks. All signs of a powerful trend. The key point here is that after the recent correction, Bitcoin just held a very important support level that has historically been huge for the market. That means this could be the real bottom before the next leg up. Plus, if you check yesterday's breakout candle, absolutely perfect. Look at the shadow on both sides. Big body and a strong volume. Everything about it screams ideal breakout candle. It tells us buyers are in control and we could see continuation to the previous high. I'm talking about ETH. And if that breaks, we resume the measure upfront. For spot buyers, yes, you can enter now this candle with a sub loss under the previous low, but it's the first leg of the daily uptrend. So keep risk small, fake out can still happen. Now let's go down to the 4-hour time frame to see how I find my triggers. The first trigger I gave was when we broke out of that descending channel. Since the major trend was already up and fundamentals were bullish, I said you could long just on the breakout. Confirmation came from rising volume, right? The second trigger just 2 days ago was a breakout of that 4-hour resistance, which had been tested 3 times. That break was inevitable. It got delayed a bit because of war news, but the breakout came. Let me show you the confirmation. On a 15-minute time frame, as you can see, RSI is entering overbought on the 15-minute, volume increasing right at breakout, DMI pushing higher, breakout candle strong, and pivot point gave no serious resistance. I know this might be sounds confusing, but don't worry, I will teach all of this step by step in future videos. Just give me your energy back by staying engaged. Now for the next trigger, right now the market doesn't have a clean structure to say this is where we can long. If you get a pullback into resistance, well, that could be great, but if it just pumped straight up without a correction, I don't have a clear trigger because sub loss placement would be bad to avoid low risk ratio. Shorts, just forget it. Shorts are against high cycle and low cycle, so no point fighting the main trend. And a quick check BTC dominance, BTC.D at 4-hour time frame. It's ranging right now, but the higher structure is still bearish. It means money is flowing from Bitcoin to altcoins, and exactly why yesterday Bitcoin was only up 1%, but some else exploded. If you check Solana, yeah, see, or BNB 5%, Ethereum 4%. You got the point, right? And Ethereum also has a very interesting rounded structure right now. Breakout of its resistance here is huge. Personally, I will be longing ETH on that breakout. So set your alarms and stay close to the charts this week. This isn't the time to sleep, it's the time to catch positions and then enjoy them while they run. Now it's your turn. Drop your Bitcoin analysis in the comments so we can debate it together. Or if there is a specific coin you want me to include in tomorrow's Bitcoin updates, comment down below. Until tomorrow, peace out. Don't FOMO and manage your risk. Thanks.